95 1.8 swap in it. Whenever I first bought the car, there was a lot of issues with it, a lot of things that the previous owners neglected, such as the O2 cable. I had to run a new O2 cable all the way down because the 1.6 O2 is usually located on the headers. This has aftermarket headers, exhaust, full exhaust. But we also had an issue where there's tons of rust in the coolant. I was just having tons of issues. Ended up finding out that this coolant line here had a spring that was just a straight steel spring in it that was rusting everything out, causing all kinds of issues. So we ended up finding that when we went to go replace the radiator. So we got a brand new, just a generic aluminum 93 Miata radiator in here. Ended up finding out that my cylinder 3 spark plug wasn't firing, so we ended up changing all of the spark plugs to NGK Iridium spark plugs. Swapped in the NGK coil wires as well. Some other things to know about the car: it has Yanaka coilovers, fully adjustable, 30-way adjustable coilovers. Has a cold air intake, and it has a 2.5-inch exhaust routed all the way to IRS catback exhaust. We also, since this car has an AC delete, ended up wiring in both fans to kick on when the thermostat kicks on, whenever the water pump kicks on. And other than that, I had some vacuum leaks. I replaced the PCV valve here. We ended up raising this up because they didn't account for the exhaust running up, so we ended up lifting these up, putting some little spacers in here. Ended up changing the throttle body gasket and cleaning out the entire intake manifold. Actually, now the car runs great. Haven't been having any issues with it. I daily it maybe once or twice a week for the most part. But it's gonna be a fun little build. I plan to do quite a lot to this car. I plan to do fastback, hard top. I plan to do all the fun little Miata stuff with blinking lights and all that. Full custom body kit. I'm gonna do that all myself. I'm gonna record all of that. Probably gonna do some 10 by, probably some 15 by 8s, maybe 15 by 10 treads on this, or rims on this car. I'm gonna redo the whole interior. Going to clean up the dash, figure out the whole wiring situation, and then eventually, depending on how much you guys enjoy this process, we might end up doing a full Flying Miata turbo kit, ECU, all kinds of fun stuff. And then if we want to get real crazy, maybe do a drift car later on. But yeah, thanks for staying tuned. Until next time. So what does this mean for the future of the channel with the racing sim and settings, tuning guides? I still plan to do wheel setting videos for all the new racing games, although the tuning guides I think I'm going to put on the back burner. There still might be some that trickle through on some of my favorite cars in these games, but for instance, the new Forza Horizon 6 is going to be releasing in probably the next year, as well as Tokyo Extreme Racer on the PS5, and I'm most definitely going to be playing those when they drop. But my priorities have kind of shifted to the Miata. I've been working a lot more. Haven't had as much time to sink into tuning cars for content for YouTube, let alone record and edit everything. So figured we can trickle through some maintenance videos on the Miata and see where it goes. Hope you all stick around for the journey, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace.